LinkedIn is a great platform when you're looking for a professional community and when, like me, you're looking for potential clients and growing your professional network. But it's also been the platform for annoying salespeople, like level 5 annoying. And the scale only goes up to level 3. In today's video, I want to share with you the traits of some of the most annoying salespeople that I've encountered on LinkedIn and what you and I can learn from them. My name is Jason and welcome to Better Today, a place where young leaders like you come for work-life motivation and inspiration. If you're new to the channel, hit that like button and remember to subscribe. It helps the channel grow and you're helping other young professionals find more of this content. Today's question of the day is, have you encountered an annoying sales pitch on LinkedIn? Get over there in the comments and let me know your thoughts. All right, let's begin. First, they get your details wrong over and over again. My name is easy enough to spell, but if I got $1 for every time a real estate broker, an insurance agent, or a tech sales rep gets the spelling wrong, I just quit my job and make videos for you guys full-time. Even after reminding them several times on how I prefer my name to be spelled, or to refer to me as a Mr. and not a Ma'am Sir, or tell them for the 5th time that my email address is such and such, it can just get on my nerves. The bare minimum right way of communicating with someone on a professional platform like LinkedIn is to get the basic details right. Spell the name correctly, use a nickname if they prefer one, and be mindful of seemingly small details that actually mean a lot to the person that you're talking to. Second, they tend to be very pushy. Let's get this out of the way. Persistence is not the same as being pushy. Persistence is not giving up because the situation is difficult or you're facing a challenge you have to overcome. Pushy is being told no 1,000 times and still going for it. A couple of weeks ago, I told a bank sales rep that I was already an account holder. I said, "Thank you, I'm happy with what I have right now and all the best with your sales calls." What happened next? I did not stop getting messages asking me to upgrade this card or to avail of this insurance product. And sad to say, I just stopped replying. The right way to have handled that would have been to treat a current customer politely, thank them for the business, and moved on to other prospects. There are more than 10 million people on LinkedIn in this country. I am sure that there's someone out there who's not yet a customer and was worth the time and effort he spent trying to convince someone who wasn't going to be convinced anyway. Sometimes not following up actually leaves a good impression. By the way, if you're learning something so far, hit that like button and remember to subscribe. Third and last, they don't spend any time and effort on making a conversation. They go straight to the hard sell. Let me know in the comments if you can relate to this. A complete stranger messages you, asking you to check out their products and services. Then, out of the blue, they drop a PDF file in your inbox. No introductions, just a straight up, "Yo, here's our stuff, read it, buy it." I am not going to do that. I am not even going to reply. For all I know, you sent me a photo of your left foot. The much better way to do it is to introduce yourself. Say a few words on what your company does. And most importantly, try and connect it to what I do or what my company does. If it makes sense to me, then I'll probably make time and book a call with you. And the call is often the beginning of a very good professional relationship. If this video helped you and you learned something, make sure to hit that like button and remember to subscribe. To recap today's question of the day, have you encountered an annoying sales pitch on LinkedIn? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'm Jason, and may your sales pitches on LinkedIn be better today.